Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning double exposure effect in PicsArt. So if you want to give your photos a dreamy and artistic look, you can try to add or create the double exposure effects in PicsArt. It is a game changer for creating stunning blended images, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to achieve these effects like a pro. So first what you need to do is choose a photo. You can choose like a photo of yourself. You can try to add a photo of yourself facing not the camera, not facing the camera. For example, just like this one. Okay, once you add the photo, you can remove the background. I'm going to use the cat out option and select the person. Okay, click on the check icon and then you can use uh or change the background into white color. So here I'm going to click on fit, and in here I'm going to change the size into story. Okay, I'm going to position the object just like this. So for the fit, I think I'm going to change the object to be at in the middle like this. Click on a check icon, and now what you need to do is change or go to tools and go to adjust, and here you can follow this adjustment. So for the contrast, you can increase it to around 30, and find shadow and highlight. So shadow -70, and highlight increase it to around 20. Now you can click on a check icon and find stickers. In here you can discover or search for a forest sticker. You can do anything actually, but I'm going to go with forest. And in here I'm going to select this black and white sticker. You can rotate it like this and adjust the size to match with the object. You can also lower the opacity if you want to. Okay, now let's add another stickers in here. You can find the one with color, this one for example, and then you can change the mode into the blend mode into lighten, and here you can put it in here. For example, you can also duplicate it and put it another in another position. So for example, I'm going to put it in the face just like this, and that's it. So this is the final result for the double exposure effect. If you don't like with the result, you can always adjust the position or adjust the opacity to how you like it. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can get this double exposure effects in PicsArt. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.